Good morning friends. Today I am going to show the demo of a registration form using PHP and MySQL. So registration form normally it is used to get the input from the user and store it in the table. So very first thing is I have to start the WAMP server by using start WAMP server option. Just click start WAMP server. Then after that open the browser. Just type the URL http localhost. So WAMP server is running. Go to that my project. I have designed the registration form and save the particular file as registrationform.html. In that registration form, I am accepting the name of the user, or for example student name, department number, age, class in which student is studying, address, then mobile number. And I have two options, save button and cancel button. Now for this registration form I have to create the table in my MySQL. For that open another tab, go to the localhost option, go to phpMyAdmin. So phpMyAdmin is the option which is used to work with your MySQL database. And I have the following databases: Anand demo, login demo, MD test, all this my databases. So I am selecting the database called demo, and I have one login table there, and I am going to create another table called registration. So registration, so we can give REGN as short form, and how many field I am having? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 field. So you should give the same name. So what is the name you have given it here, and same name you have to give here. So in the form, what is the name you have given, same thing you can give it in the table also, field name. So first one is name, and second one is department number. So DEPTNO, same case also you can use. Then after that age, so age, and fourth one is class, and fifth one is address, and last one is mobile number. So address can be captured by means of address 1, address 2, address 3, like that. So it is a simple example, so we are trying. So mobile number and name you have to give varchar type, department number also varchar, age integer, and class varchar, address varchar, mobile number you can give big integer. So length you can give name 10, age 3, and you can give class as 10, address you can give 50, and mobile number you can give 11. So just click save. So we have created the registration table, and we have not inserted any value in the registration table, so you can see only the field. So it is not showing any value. So you can see the structure: name, department number, age, class, address, mobile number. Now what we have to do is we have to write the coding, PHP coding, to insert the values. So for that what I have to do is go to the C drive, and here I have saved my registration form, I mean registration PHP file is there. I will show the file. So this is a simple thing. PHP code for registration form, lesson symbol, question mark, PHP, dollar connection user defined variable is equal to mysql underscore connect. This mysql underscore connect is a function which is used to connect your PHP and MySQL. By mentioning localhost is your WAM server name. So localhost, by using the localhost only we are accessing the WAM server. So localhost, it is a server name, and root is the username. So I am giving root as a username because in the root only I have created my working directory called Anand, and password as empty. It is used for, this line is used for establishing the connection. If exclamation dollar connection, meaning of this particular line is, if the connection is not established, then you have to throw the error message, open flower brace, die, could not connect. So could not connect with the PHP with MySQL. And here you are having the concatenation symbol. Here you can give any message you want, connection not possible or connection not established, like that you can give. And here you have a dot operator, it is a concatenation operator. So after that you have MySQL underscore error. So this is a predefined function or system defined function which is used to inform the user for what reason the error is occurred or for what reason it is not establishing the connection. It is going to inform to the user. Then close flower brace. Then next one is MySQL underscore select underscore DB. So what is your database name? So I am changing my database name as demo. There only I am having the registration table. So this is very simple. MySQL underscore select underscore DB. Select the database in MySQL. Name of the database is demo using the connection string, that is WAM server name, username and password. Then after that, so $SQL is equal to insert into, what is the table name you have given? So I have given the table name called REGN. So you can give also registration also. So insert into REGN, it is my table name. What is the field you are going to enter value for the particular fields? என்னென்ன ஃபீல்டோட வேல்யூ என்டர் பண்ண போறீங்க? So name, field name, then department number, age, class, address, mobile number. For all these 6 field, I am going to insert the value into that particular registration table using the form called registration form. So values insert into registration. This is for the purpose of understanding. Actual query is insert into registration values, then open bracket dollar underscore post of name. So meaning of dollar underscore post of name is, so this is nothing but dollar underscore post of dollar underscore post of name. So the value which can be entered by the user in the name field in the registration form can be captured by using this particular syntax, that is dollar underscore post of name. The name which is entered by the user in the registration form can be captured by using the dollar underscore post of name. So we are using this particular thing, dollar underscore post of name, comma dollar underscore post of department number, comma dollar underscore post of age, dollar underscore post of class, dollar underscore post of address, dollar underscore post of mobile number, and you are closing this SQL double quotes which you have started here and you are ending the double quotes here and followed by semicolon. If not MySQL underscore query of dollar SQL comma dollar connection, if the query is not If the query is not able to establish, or if the query is not able to execute, MySQL underscore query is the function which is used to execute the query which is given inside the SQL. So meaning of $SQL means this whole SQL query. So if this MySQL query function not able to execute this query, insert into registration values dollar underscore suppose of name, department number, age, class, address, mobile number, then you are having the error message die error. It is not able to insert the value. So similarly, dot MySQL underscore error function means it is also used to inform the user for what reason it is not executing the query, or for what reason the values are not inserted into the particular table. It has to inform to that particular user by using MySQL underscore error. Then close flower brace, echo registration details stored in the table. It is for the sake of user to understand. Then MySQL underscore close of dollar connection. Very second line, you have established the connection using the WAM server, username, password, and same thing you can close MySQL underscore close of dollar connection means the connection established in the second line can be closed by using this particular function called MySQL underscore close of dollar connection means it is closing the connection which is established in the second line. Then closing tag or close delimiters for PHP question mark greater than symbol. So now you save this particular file as registration.php, and this link should be given in the form also. So reg.php form, you have to mention this particular file reg.php. So save as all files option. Okay. In the HTML form also you have to check whether you have mentioned the particular form. So save this particular file as registration form. Title HTML title registration, it is used to display in the browser. Body BG color is equal to orange. Bold underline header 1, it is just to display the registration form. Form action is equal to, this is very important, form action is equal to what is the PHP file should be execute when you are clicking the submit button. So this is very important. Form action is equal to registration.php, method is equal to post. Then using the pre tag, I want to display the particular output as it is, how I am typing it here. So name input type is equal to text, name is equal to name, then department number, age, class, address, mobile number. So for each line I am giving break, then closing the pre tag. Input type is equal to submit, value is equal to save, and you can have this particular thing also, instead of save you can have insert. So name is equal to submit, input type is equal to submit, value is equal to cancel, name is equal to cancel, close the form tag, close the body tag, close the HTML tag. Save this particular file as registration form.html, registration form.html, save as all files. Now what you have to do is go to the browser, WAM server page. So click the registration form.html. I am providing the details, that is name Ramesh, department number 18 UCS 18 hyphen UCS hyphen 001, age 18, class 3rd BSc, then address Rayapuram, mobile number, click save. Registration details stored in the table. So you are getting the message like this, but you have to go and check it in the table. So how to check in the table means you have to open another WAMP server page, localhost, and go to your phpMyAdmin, go to the demo database, go to the registration table, and you can see here the values are inserted as Ramesh, department number 18VCS001, age 18, class 3rd BSc, address Rayapuram, mobile number as it is. So this is very simple. So only thing is you should give the same name here in the name field in your HTML form and field name in your MySQL table. That's it. So it is very easy to insert the values using the registration form. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share with your friends and give your feedback also. Thank you so much. Thank you.